I am speaking from Newton study. Today I am going to teach physics of class 10th. The topic is related the chapter reflection of light. The topic is related to chapter reflection of light. I am going to teach what is the difference, what is the distinguish between a plane mirror, a concave mirror and a convex mirror. For it, bring each mirror one by one closer to your face and observe the image formed in the mirror. Then if the image is equal in size and erect, it is a plane mirror. If the image is large and erect, it is a concave mirror. If the image is smaller and erect, it is a convex mirror. What is the difference between a plane mirror, concave mirror and convex mirror? For it, bring an object in front of the mirror and observe the image. If the image is formed equal in size of the object, then the mirror is plane mirror. If the image is formed equal in size of the object, then the mirror is plane mirror. If the image is formed larger and erect, if the image is formed larger and erect than object, then the mirror is concave mirror. If the image is formed smaller and erect, then the mirror is convex mirror. Now I am going to show that the mirror formula for a spherical mirror holds good for a plane mirror. The formula of a spherical mirror holds good for a plane mirror. How? I am going to verify that by algebraical method. We know that from the mirror formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. We know that by the mirror formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. For the plane mirror, focal length is equal to infinity. Hence, 1 by infinity is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u, imply 1 by infinity means 0 is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. We take 1 by u left side. We find next step minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by v. By cross multiplication we get next step minus u is equal to v. Thus, the image formed in the plane mirror is as far behind as the object in front of it. By the mirror formula, we can verify that in the plane mirror, as far distance the object is placed in front of the mirror, the image is formed behind the mirror as far distance as the object in front of the mirror. This shows that this represents that in the plane mirror object distance is equal to the image distance. We can verify that by the mirror formula. In the plane mirror object distance is equal to the image distance. Now I stop my teaching. I will see you in next video with new topic. Thank you.